Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to install root on your Android device, physical Android device with custom ROM. In my case this is the custom ROM called LineageOS, and I'm going to download some files. Specifically I need to download boot.img for the installation of patched boot in order to make in order to install root. So for this I'm also going to Magisk GitHub, and I need the installation instruction. In here you actually can pretty much understand what's going on because this guide is really well made, and in this case they offer some other options like boot, init boot, or recovery images, so those can be patched in order to achieve root. So I'm also going to use source copy, which is a neat tool to show you the Android on your desktop. So we push the boot.img to the device, then we actually need to install the Magisk. I forgot to do that. We just download the application, then using the adb install, we install it. It's easy like that. So when in Magisk, we're going to install it and we patch the boot.img that we previously downloaded and pushed. So when it's patched, we need to take it back and download it back to our device. And then, according to the installation, we are going to the Fastboot mode. So we're boot to the bootloader, and in Fastboot, we are first we check if it's enabled, okay, and then we flash the boot with our previously patched image, and then just reboot. This should be enough to achieve root, but we also need to enable the Zygisk, and then of course reboot our device. Okay, when it's done, if you have Android 13, you can install LSPosed. If you have Android 15 and 14, you need to download LSPosed-mod. So we go to models, install, and then install our LSPosed-mod with a Zygisk, which was previously enabled. So this is it. We installed it. I'll also show you that there are some repositories that you can search. In my case, there's a SSL killer, which is really good for bypassing SSL pinning. And I will show you how to install it, but in general, exposed models are really great. There are plenty of them, so check those out. In order to install this one, you go to Assets and just download the APK file. And when it's downloaded, you install it with the package installer. And of course, enable the option install from any other source. Yeah. Okay, when our application is installed, of course it's disabled, but you can go to the LSPosed and then enable it. And as you see, there are already some applications, so you can disable the SSL pinning for those applications. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this real quick video of how to install LSPosed, root your device with Magisk, and install some modules of LSPosed. See ya.